Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right, so JASMY seems to be working close for years now with the Japanese government. We're going to have a look at it, guys, but first, we're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at the details. First, JASMY down 4.4%, down to an $811.32 million market cap. Volume is up a little bit today. It's up to 31.61 million. 1 cent 643, guys. We have double bottomed, and I will show you on the charts exactly what I'm talking about. Having a rough week, down 6.3%, but not as bad as some other projects on the week. If you can see, projects like Miria, KASPA, Helium Mobile, and others down far, far more than JASMY on the weekly time frame. If we look across the market, we have blood in the streets, guys. Good DCA opportunity on a weekend. Turbo down to 207, guys. Fantastic opportunity to scoop up more turbo. PIF, Ondo. There's some good opportunities, guys. I hope you guys are taking advantage of the situation. Stuff your bags, because as much as you don't want to hear it, as much as you're sick of hearing it, you don't have many of these opportunities left before things start going nuts, and you will look back and say, I wish I had had more time to accumulate. All right, so let's go have a look at JASMY's chart. So we have double bottomed here. As you can see, let's remove those. We have come down to almost exactly the same level here. Touch the exact same level on both wicks, down to 1 cent 616. Both times, double bottoms will generally lead to massive swings to the upside. So very, very good news there. So we wait, guys. And again, we've looked at this 100 times. We have rejected off this 30-day SMA more times than I can count. Well, whatever. 3-time rejection off of here violently to the downside. Twice we rejected off it here violently to the downside. Same thing, 3 times to the downside. Rejected, right? We have to get above that 30-day SMA, which has been acting like a massive level of resistance for us right now. But it is all going to depend on what Bitcoin does. But we definitely nailed this buy zone, as you can see, right? We definitely nailed the buy zone. So again, I say, not financial advice, but I hope that you guys are taking advantage of the opportunity in front of you and stuffing your bags. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin's chart, see what it's doing. We've come down exactly to this level where we bounced last time, right at the $67,975 level. Bounced across there. It held support here. It was resistance here a couple of times as well. So if we move it over, you can see. Resistance, support, resistance, support, and now it is acting as support once again. We're basically just setting in a higher low, guys, which is actually a really, really good thing for further continuation to the upside, right? For me, Bitcoin's chart does not look bearish until we crash below 59K. That is how far down we would have to go for things to start looking bearish in the big picture. So let's just allow Bitcoin to continue setting in its higher lows, and it's going to continue making moves to the upside as a result. So that's my take on it. So as we look over at JASMY, the Japanese financial regulatory body has developed highly secure computers designed in collaboration with JASMY and VIOS. Yes, guys, VIO, the JASMY Secure PC. That is going to be the standard, in my opinion, when it comes to what governments and big tech companies and stuff are going to be doing with their laptops and their desktops moving forward, is the JASMY Secure PC system. For financial institutions and banks in Japan, where security regulations are very strict, and that's what I was just saying, guys. You're going to see this in banks everywhere. You're going to need to see this sort of security measure and technology put into place to secure and keep safe data, which is paramount. Make no mistake about it. And checking in on our dear friend Neosun once again, he says, by leveraging its operational capabilities and network of partners, JASMY wants to position its product and services as standards in the management of personal data and data regulations in the Japanese financial sector. With the goal of quickly gaining market share, this will be favorable to an ecosystem where JASMY coin will serve as the currency of exchange in Japan. You have to remember a couple of things, guys. They did earlier this year just pass a bill that, first of all, there's no unrealized capital gains tax, which is very, very bullish out there. Secondly, VCs would be able to start buying into crypto, and JASMY is the only legally regulated crypto in Japan. It is the only project with legal regulatory clarity, okay? Which makes it a prime target for potential ETFs in Japan, for potential adoption of VCs in Japan. The connections of Ondo across the tech sector, not just in Japan, but globally, right? All point to JASMY having amazing potential, guys, for these kinds of things. But as always, I want to know what you guys think. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, click the join button, guys, to join our community. Guys, if you want to sit down, you want to chat with me on a Zoom call, you can book a one-on-one with me. We chat all things crypto. I'll help you out with your portfolio structure, creating an exit strategy for yourself, going over your portfolio, evaluating it, finding your strengths and weaknesses, talking about taxes and tax implications, compounding your gains, DeFi staking, and everything in between, guys. You can chat with me about that stuff one-on-one, or you can jump into one of our video group calls as well, where we talk about all those things and more. If you have questions, get the answers that you need. Join the community. Guys, no one is successful making it in crypto by themselves, especially not beginners, okay? So get over there, join the community, join the conversation. The link is in the description down below. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.